Yes, children, can you hear me properly? Am I audible properly? Am I audible properly, children? Okay. Now, as I've told you the other day that I have completed with this chapter, I'll give you some questions today. Clear? Now, write down the questions. Are you ready with the? Are you ready for writing down the questions? Okay. Write down the first question. That what were the challenges? What were the challenges? What were the challenges of political succession? Challenges of political succession after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. For 4 marks, you have to write down the 2 points which have been provided. Clear? Next one. Who proposed the name of Lal Bahadur Shastri for becoming the next Prime Minister after Nehru? Question mark, this will be for 1 marks, and it is, the answer is K. Kamraj, the president of the Congress party. The president of the Congress party, K. Kamraj. Now next one. What were the 2 challenges faced by Lal Bahadur Shastri during his brief period of prime ministership? Question mark, this will be for 2 marks. You will get it on page number 84. This will be in the third line, third paragraph, second line you can get. That is the 2 major challenges which that Lal Bahadur Shastri had to overcome. One was economic implications of China and the war after China, and the drought which came after the failure of monsoons. Next one. What was the slogan put forward by Shastri for overcoming these challenges? Question mark, 1 marks. The slogan was Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. When, next one, when and where did Prime Minister, sorry, Shastri's prime ministership came to an end. Came to an end. It was on 10th of January 1966 in Tashkent, which is actually the capital of Uzbekistan. And here you already have heard about it, about the Tashkent Agreement, where Lal Bahadur Shastri has gone to sign an agreement with with Pakistan, and that time the general was General Muhammad Ayub Khan. There only he went, and there only, unfortunately, he died. Right, next one. Whom and why? Whom and why did the senior members of the Congress, wanted to become the prime minister after the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri? Question mark, this will be for 2 marks. First one, it is Indira Gandhi, and why? Because they can make use, or they can put pressure upon Indira Gandhi and fulfill what they wanted. That means to fulfill their demands. Because during that time, Mrs. Indira Gandhi was just a fresher. Fresher means one who has stepped into politics just couple of months back. So she was a new figure in this particular thing. So they wanted Mrs. Indira Gandhi to become the prime minister so that they can use their influence over Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Now next one. Why had Indira Gandhi to take over the lead, L-E-A-D, lead over the party immediately after becoming the prime minister? Question mark, it will be for 2 marks. You can get the answer on page number 85. There is only one paragraph, and in the center, in the middle of the paragraph only, you will get the answer. See, within a year of becoming prime minister, Indira Gandhi had to lead the party in the Lok Sabha election. This is one reason, and another reason was that during this time the economic situation in the country had deteriorated, which had brought about further problems for the government of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Next one. Now write, what were the major challenges, what were the major challenges which the country had witnessed before the fourth general elections of 1967. This will be for 5 marks. You are getting it on page number 86. Second para from the second line only you can get it. 2 prime ministers, they have died in a quick succession. Together with that, you can see that the economic crisis of the country, the country was in severe economic crisis. Together with that, you can see that the monsoons were failing. There was widespread droughts. Agricultural production has declined. There was shortage of food. Then you can see that foreign exchange was depleting. Industrial production has also gone down. Together with that, exports had also gone down. The prices of things have risen to a great extent, and together with that, the value of the Indian currency was, going down. There was large scale shortage of food in the country. There was unemployment in the country. As a result, the people were not satisfied. And what did they do? They have started bandhs and hartals in various parts of the country. So you can understand that what a terrible situation it was. As I've told you when I've started this chapter, I have told you that the entire 1960s was a very, very horrible year in the political history of India. Clear? Next one. What is meant by non-Congressism? Non-Congressism. Question mark, 2 marks. Next one. Who named this idea as non-Congressism? That means who had actually used this term first? Non-Congressism. It will be for 1 marks. And the answer is Ram Manohar Lohia. Ram Manohar Lohia. He was a socialist leader who has actually given this name of non-Congressism. Clear? Next one. Why was the election results of 1967 described as a political earthquake for the Congress party? You will have to write it. If you write it for, give it for a 4 marks answer. And in this, you will get it on page number 88. Last paragraph, you have to give all the details that it was for the first time. Excuse me, please. স্কুলে আছি, বাড়ি যাবো একটু পরে বলে। আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সেই তো। একটা পর্যন্ত বাড়িতেই থাকি। ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। প্রায় 6টা বাজবে। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক, ঠিক আছে। Excuse me, children. So here you will have to describe that how the Congress party for the first time has lost majority of its seats, and it could prove a majority, a very thin majority in the Lok Sabha, and it had lost in most on the 9 states, the states which were Congress dominated, as well as the political stalwarts. Stalwarts means the great leaders of the Congress, like Kamraj K. Kamraj in Tamil Nadu, S.K. Patil in Maharashtra, Atulya Ghosh in West Bengal, and K.B. Shahai in Bihar. All these people were badly defeated, and in most of the states, the 9 states where Congress dominated, there also they lost, and in some states like Tamil Nadu and others, regional level parties had come up like DMK and all this. All you have to describe here, so I've given it for a 4 marks. Clear? Next one. Now next one, name the name the name the coalition which was formed after the elections of 1967 to support non-Congress governments, to support non-Congress governments. This will be for 1 marks. And the answer is Samyukt Vidhayak Dal, SVD. Next question. What is meant by defection? 2 marks. Next one. Explain the phrase within single inverted commas. Ayaram Gayaram. Ayaram Gayaram. Again for 2 marks. Next one. What is the syndicate? What is the syndicate? 2 marks. Okay, next day I will give you more questions from this chapter and I will complete this chapter. Okay, thank you very much.